To troubleshoot Authorize Net Accept Hosted. Start by understanding the basics of the payment gateway and its hosted payment form. The Accept Hosted Payment Form is a secure and customizable payment solution that allows merchants to accept payments online. Begin by checking the merchant ID and transaction key to ensure they are correct and match the ones provided by Authorize Net. Next, verify that the payment form is properly configured and that all required fields are filled in. A common issue with Accept Hosted is the redirect to the payment form failing. To troubleshoot this, check the redirect URL and ensure it is correctly formatted and points to the Authorize Net hosted payment form. Also, verify that the payment form is not being blocked by any security software or browser extensions. Another issue that may arise is the payment form not displaying correctly. To resolve this, check the HTML and CSS code used to integrate the payment form and ensure it is correct and consistent. Also, verify that any third-party scripts or libraries are not interfering with the payment form. When troubleshooting Accept Hosted, it is essential to review the transaction logs and error messages. This will help identify any issues with the payment processing and provide insight into what may be causing the problem. Best practices for troubleshooting Accept Hosted include testing the payment form in a sandbox environment before going live, using the Authorize Net Simulator tool to test transactions, and keeping detailed records of all transactions and errors. By following these steps and best practices, merchants can quickly identify and resolve issues with Authorize Net Accept Hosted, ensuring a seamless payment experience for their customers. It is also recommended to consult the Authorize Net documentation and support resources for more detailed information and assistance. In summary, troubleshooting Authorize Net Accept Hosted requires a thorough understanding of the payment gateway and its hosted payment form, as well as careful attention to detail and a methodical approach to identifying and resolving issues. By taking the time to review the payment form configuration, transaction logs, and error messages, merchants can resolve issues quickly and efficiently.